Okay, so for lesson 3 today, what we're going to do is a mental maths quiz. So I'm going to give you 15 problems. Some are easy, some are hard. I'm going to read through each question twice, and then you're going to have 15 seconds on each question. So my advice is, if you need to jot a few things down, then please do so. But bear in mind that I'm not going to stop, and you've only got 15 seconds for each question. Okay? So hopefully you've got your pen and paper ready. And we're going to start now in 5 seconds. So question number 1 is, write in figures the number 412. Write in figures the number 412. Question 2. What is 6 multiplied by 3? What is 6 multiplied by 3? Question 3. Count on 12 from 22. Count on 12 from 22. Question 4. Add 8 to 17. Add 8 to 17. Question 5. Subtract 11 from 19. Subtract 11 from 19. Question 6. How many minutes are there in 2 hours? How many minutes are there in 2 hours? Question 7. Double the number 35. Double the number 35. Question 8. Round 112 to the nearest 100. Round 112 to the nearest 100. Question 9. What is the product of 6 and 5? Product is another word meaning multiply. What is the product of 6 and 5? Question 10. I'm going to write down 3 numbers, and I want you to write down the correct one of those that is an answer in the 6 times table. So which one of those 3 numbers is in the 6 times table? And then write the answer down for number 10. Question 11. What do I divide 25 by to get the answer 5? Apologies if you can hear something squeaking. That's my dog in his toy. What do I divide 25 by to get the answer 5? Number 12. What is the difference between 35 and 65? What is the difference between 35 and 65? Question 13. I'm going to write down 3 numbers on the board and I'd like you to add them together, please. So I'd like you to find out the total of those 3 numbers. Question 14. Share £3 equally between 2 people. Share £3 equally between 2 people. And the last question, question 15. You go to the shop and spend 42 pence on sweets. How much change do you get from £1? You go to the shops and spend 42p on sweets. How much change do you get from £1? So I'll give you 20 seconds and we're going to go through the answers. Okay, so if we go back up to question 1, it was write in figures the number 412. Oops, sorry. That was question 1. Question 2, 6 multiplied by 3 was 18. Question 3, count on 12 from 22. The answer was 34. Question 4, add 8 to 17, 25. Question 5, subtract 11 from 19, 8. How many minutes are there in 2 hours? Well, there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, so there's 120 minutes in 2 hours. Next, I asked you to double 35, so the answer was 70. Question 8, round 112 to the nearest 100, so you rounded it down to 100. What is the product of 6 and 5? It was 30. 6 times 5 is 30. Number 10, you should have circled 24. Question 11, what do I divide 25 by to get the answer 5? You divide it by 5. Question 12, the difference between 35 and 65 is 30. Question 13, I asked you to add together 8, 7 and 5 and the answer was 20. Share or split £3 equally between 2 people. They both get £1.50. And the last one, if you spend 42 pence on sweets and you give the person £1, you get 58 pence back. We're going to be doing more of these over the weeks to get you good at homing in your mental math skills. Well done.